Class, everybody stand. Who wants to read the prayer? Yes, Mr. Lakim, can you please read the prayer? Okay, thank you, Mr. Lakim. Good morning, class. Okay, you may now take your seat. Who's absent today? Miss Secretary, can you write all the absents in 1/4 sheet of paper? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, class, what can you say about these pictures? Yes, Mr. Lakim.
Ma'am, there is a room.
Yes, very good. It has rows. What else?
Mountain.
Mountain. Okay, now, what do you think is our lesson for today? Who wants to answer? Okay, our lesson for today is about the poem, The Road Not Taken by who? By? Yes, Miss Bayasa. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Very good. Okay, now, before we proceed to our main topic for today, let's read our objective. Who wants to read our objective? Okay, Ms. Ruhaina, can you read our objective?
At the end of the lesson, the students will able to A. Understand the speaker's choice and its implication. B. Recite the poem with correct pronunciation and expressive delivery. And C. Write a reflection on how the poem relates to one's own life choice.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Rohaina. Okay, class, now let's proceed to our activity. It's called what? My road poster. Yes, let's read the instruction. Okay? In a one whole bond paper, create a simple poster or drawing showing two paths that represent different choices in your life or future goal. Okay, you may now start. You have 10 minutes to do it. Okay. Start. Let's start. Okay, class, are you done? Are you done for your drawing or poster? Okay. Can you show me your works? Your poster? Show me. Yes, Mr. Lakim, show me your poster. Wow, that's wonderful. Miss Giaria, show me your poster. Wow, it's colorful. Yes, Baisa, where's your poster? Wow, amazing. That's a very good poster. Okay, now, thank you so much for your efforts for making that posters. Now, we have, let's proceed to our assessment. Now, get 1/2 sheet of paper and write a reflection on your personal experiences similar to the speakers in The Road Not Taken. Write it in 1/2 sheet of paper. Write your reflections in 1/2 sheet of paper. Now you may start. Okay, class, are you done? Are you done for your reflections? Okay, pass your papers in the front. Okay, Miss Belen, can you collect all the papers? Everyone, pass your papers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, get your notebook and write your assignment for tomorrow. Now, we have this is the instruction, okay? The road, memorize the point, the road not taken, and recite it in the class tomorrow. After that, you need to write a short paragraph explaining how the tone and emotion of the poem change from the start to the end. Okay? Class, did you understand? Class, you understood? Okay. Thank you so much for your cooperation for today's lesson. Do your assignments, memorize the poem, and after that, write a paragraph about or explaining how the tone and emotion of the poem change from the start to the end. Okay. So, goodbye class. Okay, thank you so much.